Blockchain technology is no longer just about cryptocurrency. It's rapidly evolving to become the backbone of futuristic cities, revolutionizing industries and the way we live. In this video, we'll explore how blockchain is paving the way for the cities of tomorrow. Smart infrastructure, decentralized governance, real estate innovation, public service transformation, and new e-commerce model. Future cities and blockchain. Imagine a city where data flows seamlessly between systems, providing real-time insights that optimize energy usage, traffic flow, and public service. Blockchain enables this level of integration by creating secure, immutable record for data exchange. It's the foundation of smart cities, ensuring transparency, reducing fraud, and enhancing efficiency. For instance, blockchain-powered smart contracts can automate processes like lease agreements, energy billing, or even parking fines. Smart infrastructure. Smart infrastructure is key to sustainable urban growth, and the blockchain is the tool to manage it. By integrating IoT devices with blockchain, cities can track and maintain infrastructure in real time, from bridges that report stress level to smart grid that optimize energy disruption. Blockchain ensures security and transparent data sharing. This not only reduces cost but also ensures that cities' systems are always operational. 3. Decentralized governance. What if government were run by the people for the people in the trusted sense? Decentralized governance through blockchain is making this possible. With transparent voting system, citizens can directly participate in decision-making processes. Blockchain ensures that every vote is secure, tamper-proof, and auditable. This could lead to governments that are more accountable, efficient, and responsive to citizen needs. For real estate and property management. Buying or renting property can be a long and complicated process, often plagued by bureaucracy and fraud. Blockchain is streamlining this industry by providing secure, verifiable record of partnership and transactions. Imagine buying a house with just a few clicks, confident that the transaction is safe and legitimate. Blockchain also enables tokenized real estate, allowing fractional ownership and opening up new investment opportunities. Public service and personal data management. Public service like healthcare, education, and waste management can become more efficient with blockchain. For example, in the healthcare, blockchain can secure, store, and share patient record, ensuring privacy while improving access to information. Individuals can hold their personal data such as academic credentials or employment history in blockchain-based digital wallets. These wallets allow users to share only the specific information required for job application or university admission by providing a unique secure key. This gives users control over their data, ensuring privacy and security. In the health sector, patients can store their medical record on blockchain, sharing them only with healthcare providers they choose. This level of control safeguards sensitive information and improves the efficiency of medical service by providing accurate and up-to-date data to practitioners. Economic model and supply chain transparency. The global economy is shifting and blockchain is at the heart of this transformation. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is providing financial service to the unbanked, while blockchain-based currencies are challenging traditional monetary systems. New economic models like earn-to-play and tokenized ecosystems are emerging, creating opportunities for individuals and businesses to thrive in the way we never imagined. Blockchain is also revolutionizing supply chain management. For example, companies like Walmart and Ford are leveraging blockchain to track and verify supply chain in real time. Walmart uses blockchain in ensuring food safety by tracking products from farm to shelves, reducing waste and improving recall efficiency. Similarly, Ford is exploring blockchain to track ethically sourced materials, ensuring responsible practices in their supply chain. In Switzerland, soft commodity trading companies are already leveraging blockchain to manage shipments of goods like cocoa, sugar and corn by recording shipment, contracts qualify of goods and letters of credit on blockchain. These companies eliminating trust issue and creating a verifiable source of trust. This innovation is transforming industries where trust and efficiency are crucial. Now to conclude, the future of blockchain is about much more than technology. It's about creating a better world, from smarter cities to decentralized governance. Blockchain has the potential to transform every aspect of our life. As we embrace this innovation, we move closer to a future that's more transparent, efficient, and inclusive. What do you think about these possibilities? Share your thoughts in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in blockchain technology. And I'll see you in the next one.